Hello everybody, here is Mohammed Magdi from howtopumarketing.com. Today's presentation is to tell you about the corporate planning process, or how to make a corporate plan for your organization. And by the end of this presentation, you will learn the definition of the corporate planning process, or what does corporate planning process mean in marketing terms. Also, you will know why it's called a corporate planning process, not a marketing planning process. You will understand the importance of the corporate planning process and what's the importance of making a marketing plan. Also, you will know what are the requirements you need to know about how to make a corporate planning process for your organization. Also, you will understand what are the steps you need to do to make a corporate plan for your organization. And finally, I would like to tell you about tips for improving the corporate plan for your organization. The first part of today's presentation is about what does corporate planning process mean in marketing terms. The corporate planning process means to think and to write about making a corporate plan for your organization. So the end product of the corporate planning process is to make a corporate plan. Now we are going to explain what does corporate plan mean and how to make a corporate plan, the right corporate plan for your organization. But don't worry, don't rush up. We are going to explain all of those details in the next slides that we are going to present in today's presentation. Okay. Why it's called the corporate planning process, not a marketing planning process? Because the differences between corporate planning and marketing planning is the corporate planning for the higher to the highest management level of management. It starts from the marketing director, strategic marketing director, to the general manager, CEO, the highest board of your organization. While the marketing planning comes from the lower to the middle management of your organization. It starts from the marketing assistant, marketing executive, marketing specialist, the product manager, a brand manager, up to the marketing manager. These are responsible for making a marketing plan for your organization. Corporate planning process is about making a corporate plan or making a marketing plan for your organization. While marketing planning process is to make a marketing plan for your products. Corporate planning process is about the company, while the marketing planning process is about the product and how you're going to make your products to be in the future. What I want is your products to be in the future, what their position in the marketplace. Now we're going to explain the importance of the corporate planning process. Corporate planning process is very important in order to understand how to write a vision and a mission statement for your company. Also to know what are the values that every employee in your company should adapt in their daily practice. Also, it will help your company to make a very good positioning in the marketplace and to predict the organization performance and the expected results within the next 3 or 4 years of your planning. That's why we're going to make a corporate plan for our organization in order to understand where we want our organization to be in the future. Okay, now I'm going to explain how to make a corporate plan. And this part is the very important part in today's presentation. And actually it's the essential part in order to understand what's the importance of the corporate planning process. In order to make a corporate plan, it's like marketing plan, but it's on the corporate level. This is the differences between corporate plan and the marketing plan. What are the components of the corporate plan or marketing plan or any business plan? Any plan, you should know where are you now and where are you going and how are you going to get there. Where are you now will represent the situation analysis to analyze where are you now, what are the situations, what are your current situation, company current situation, and where are you going to represent the corporate objectives in your organization, and how are you going to get there through developing the appropriate strategies for your corporate organization and the appropriate corporate tactics or marketing mix or 7Bs. Okay, what about the differences or the major differences between the corporate planning and the marketing planning? It's about write vision and a mission statement for your organization. I'm recommending for you to write article published in our website called How to Write a Vision Statement and a Mission Statement for your organization. And which comes first, a vision statement or mission statement, and how to integrate both of them together in your marketing plan. And here we are talking about corporate plan. Okay, also what about the values? Do you know every organization is making something called a code of ethics and a code of practice? Those values comes from the organization values and also from the industry that every organization worked in. So every employee in your company should have an integrative approach to apply the principles and the values integrated in your mission and vision statement. And those values are going to make the ethical communication of your employees to the customers. Okay, what about the situation analysis? Situation analysis is to help you to analyze the current situation of your organization. Also, we are recommending for you to know how to make a situation analysis for your organization. It includes two approaches. The first approach is the external situation analysis or the external environmental analysis. It's called external audit or something called PESTEL, political, economic, environmental, social, technological, legal factors. Also, it's published on our website. And the internal factors to analyze something called the SWOT analysis to know what are the current challenges and what are the next challenges that you are going to face. What are the strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities and threats that's going to face you currently and in the future. What about the corporate objectives? Corporate objectives is help the organization to know where they want to be in the future, where they want their position to be within the 3 or 5 years from now. It's very important to know what are the marketing objectives, what are the sales objectives, what are the performance related objectives that you want your employee to do in the front of their customers. Also, what about the strategies? We are talking about how to implement those objectives through developing the appropriate marketing strategies for your corporate organization and through developing integrated marketing mix or 7 Ps. What about the marketing strategies? Also, it's published on our website, howtopeermarketing.com. It's about making a competitive advantage strategy for your organization, about making the right segmentation, the right targeting for your organization and your products to your customers, and the right market positioning strategy, how you want to position your company in front of the customers, how you want to position your company in front of the existing competitors. Okay, what about the marketing mix or 7 Ps? It's called 7 Ps, a product mix, a promotion mix, a price, place, people, physical evidence, and process. The product here is your company and your company products, and the people is the people, the employees who are working in the company. The price is how you are going to invest in the training and development of your employees, how you are going to invest in the quality of your services. The communication or the marketing communication here is representing through the campaigns and the advertising and how the social corporate responsibility, the sponsorship that improve your company reputation among the government and the public relations. So it's the product, promotion, price, and place. Place here the physical distributing channels for your company products in front of the customers, and people, physical evidence, and process. The process represents here the technical communication and how is the system applied and integrated in your company, how to improve the transparency and the code of ethics, the code of practice, and how to integrate human resources systems to make a very good compensation and benefit schemes to motivate your employees. That's about how to make a corporate plan. It's about where are we now and where are you going and how are we going to get there. Okay, now we are going to tell you tips about improving the corporate plan for organization. The corporate plan comes from the higher management to the lower management. It's helped to improve the corporate objectives for organization, and also it helps you to achieve the corporate objectives and to match the vision and mission statements of your corporate company. Also, it helps the employees to ensure they are delivering and they are applying the values and the code of ethics and the code of practice applied and integrated in the company and in the industry. Finally, it improves the planning to achieve the corporate objectives settled before for your corporate organization. That's all about today's presentation, where we're telling you about the definition of the corporate planning process, or what does corporate planning process mean in marketing terms. Also, I explained what is the importance of the corporate planning and why it's called the corporate planning process, not a marketing planning process. And then finally, the important thing we're talking about is how to make a corporate plan for your organization. That's all about today's presentation. Finally, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Mohammed Magdi. I'm the marketing coach, author and speaker of howtopeermarketing.com. I have a professional diploma of marketing from Chartered Institute of Marketing, Cambridge International Diploma for trainers and teachers from Cambridge University, Neurolinguistic Programming Diploma and Professional Degrees from the American Board of the NLP. Also, I have a Bachelor degree of Pharmaceutical Sciences from Cairo University. We are honored and pleasured to receive your feedback and comments. Our mission statement is to serve and to inspire you by the marketing knowledge, skills and experience needed to get ahead in the marketing career you want. And finally, we are dedicated to our free articles, audios and videos is to serve and to inspire and to help you to know whatever you want in the marketing career. Thank you very much for watching this video, and until we meet again, goodbye.